It's all thanks to you, Damon. Seatbelts from Safety Restore, all red, all 4 seatbelts. Why don't you talk about it?
Absolutely. Thanks, brother. So you guys, that's actually why I flew down here. This is a sponsor for this specific vehicle. Safety Restore do an amazing job where they can actually swap out the color of your seatbelts to a much sportier look. Edmund let me take his Mercy and slay the tires in it. So when they came to me and said, we want to do a collab, change the seatbelt color in the tire slayer, unfortunately, well, fortunately for him, my car wasn't available for a couple of days of downtime. So I passed that on to my boy, and here's what they did, and here's what they can do for you as well. So check this out. All right, you guys, here we are in Edmund's FF. Dude, this thing is nuts. Now, I know everyone's looking at the roof, but we're gonna get to that in just a minute. Hear me out. We gotta finish talking about the seatbelts because they're just as rad. So, Safety Restore can change the color in any year, make, or model vehicle. They're hooking you guys up with a 25% off discount. Links in description. 100%, well, seatbelts obviously work. 100% US made. They have a lifetime warranty, 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. If you send the seatbelts off to them, it's a 24-hour turnaround. They priority mail you the seatbelts right back, so it's really, really quick. And they don't only just do colors.
That is true, by the way. So I shipped it out to them on Thursday. They got it at 10:30 a.m. their time. At 3:30 p.m. their time, they shipped them out. So within 5 hours, they shipped them out. Swapped them out and shipped them out. And I got them the next day.
Testimonial.
So 48-hour turnaround.
That's quick.
Yeah.
And then on top of all that, let's say that they do other things. Let's say your dog chews your seatbelts, or everyone's had it where the seatbelt gets jammed and it won't go back in. They do all those repairs. They also do airbags. So you guys, hit them up, link in description, get your discount, get some sporty, colorful seatbelts. Tire Slayer's gonna get some when it has some time. And let's talk about the rest of this car and all the amazing things that are done to it.